Do you have a court reporter?
Who are you looking for?
You're okay.
Advocate?
was at the jail, I think, 56, and now it's 50. And they want to stay, they will keep you. And they mandate you to stay there.
Court's back in session.
We're gonna turn our phones off.
I need my phone, ma'am. Your Honor, I need my phone. For my notes, I have my notes on my phone. It's the same as my laptop. I use my phone as my laptop.
Well, that's why we have a court reporter.
Well, no, I use my notes on my phone. That's my phone is I need to have that, so I can't have it turned off.
Sir, you've been here before and you haven't had.
I've never had to turn off my phone before.
Pardon me?
I've never had to turn off my phone before. I'm representing myself pro se, so I have a right.
I understand. But
I have a
we only
right.
notes. Okay, tell you what. Can you check to make sure there's no recordings on the phone?
Yep.
He's not recording it and we'll let that go.
It is my right to record, so.
You may not record.
You can't
sir.
record in here, sir. Can you show me your recordings if you have
How
any?
can I don't have a right, you don't have a right to search my phone. Do you have a search warrant?
Sir, you will be respectful in this court.
I am being respectful.
If you do not, you want to keep your phone, you're going to give it to the officer so they can.
No, I need my notes. Oh, okay. Well, he doesn't have a right to search my phone. You have a search
If you
warrant?
want to keep your phone in here, there's going to be proof that you're not recording this conversation, which you're not allowed to do.
Oh, you're under 44 rule, Illinois Supreme Court Rule 44A,
Sir.
you are allowed.
No, sir,
Yes.
you are not.
Can you tell me not where it's
You are
not?
not allowed to record the proceedings that go on in this courtroom.
Have
We
you,
have a court reporter here,
I
sir.
understand.
You are not allowed to record any of the proceedings.
I am allowed to.
You're about to what?
I am allowed to. You are allowed
You
to.
are-
As it's my right.
You are not, and if you want to continue, we'll continue this proceeding. 'Cause
Okay,
you're not
we'll
gonna have
continue
your
it.
phone.
We'll continue it.
Fine. The phone will be confiscated.
No,
It will not be
you have
allowed-
not right. You have no right to search my. You have no right to confiscate my
Turn
phone.
off your phone, sir.
You have no right to do that.
Turn off your phone.
Under what Illinois Supreme Court rule?
Sir, turn off your phone.
G 25-203.
It's my
Turn
notes.
off
Then
your phone.
I'm not having a. I'm not having a
I
fair.
hold you in direct criminal contempt, sir, and I'd like to contempt this hearing. Turn off your phone.
Well, then I like a continuance. Because you're refusing to have my rights as you're refusing my rights.
Turn off your phone, and I am proceeding.
I can't turn off my phone. My notes are on my phone.
Sir, you have two choices here. Either you turn off your phone, or you give your phone to the officer to
I have
ensure
a-
that you are not recording today's proceedings.
This is a legal search of my phone.
Take the phone, sir. Are you able to check that?
So, here's his recordings.
Do that, Robert. Thank you.
You're illegally searching my phone.
There's nothing.
What's your
on
badge
there.
number?
Stop it,
18364.
18364. Okay,
Yep.
thank you. 18364.
Mr. Jones.
Okay, thank you,
You
officer.
will proceed with civility in this courtroom, or you will be removed.
And you will respect me as well.
Continually, you have in every proceeding interrupted,
That's not
yelled
accurate.
over people.
That's not accurate.
Disrespected this court. It will not happen.
That's not accurate, Your Honor.
It is accurate.
No, that's not accurate. And there'll be proof about that.
Sir, if you are going to be disrespectful to the court, you will be held in criminal contempt.
I'm not disrespecting Your
That is your
Honor.
last warning, sir. All right, could you please come? Both parties. We are here for hearing today. Ms. Howe? Good afternoon, Mr. Jones, we're here. I'm going to swear you both in. Please raise your right hand. You can put your phone down, sir. You swear and affirm that the testimony you're about to give shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes.
Ma'am? Yes. Ma'am, you're gonna have to talk up a little bit louder so the court reporter can hear you. Yes. You may put your hand down. Ma'am, you filed a ex parte emergency petition for order of protection. That was filed on May 16th of 2025. I was not the judge who entered that, but it was entered and then, of course, transferred to this case.
I would like to file an objection that she should not be, as she has not filed an appearance into this case. So anything she says, I file an objection to.
The order of protection is what was transferred into the case.
She has not filed an appearance in the D case. I objection.
And actually, she did file an appearance. You had an attorney represent you on this.
But she did not file personally an appearance. I object to any testimony that she has today.
All right, thank you, sir. I'm going to deny your objection. Ma'am, do you still wish to proceed today with your petition for order of protection?
Yes.
And you're seeking a 2-year plenary order of protection, is that correct?
Yes, correct.
All right, and I am aware that you previously filed an order of protection in this case, and that order of protection was denied after hearing, is that correct?
Yes,
And you and Mr. Jones, you share a child together.
correct.
Could you tell us that child's name and age for the record?
The child's name is Violet Hậu John.
Jeanne, how old is she?
She
She's just about a
almost
year, right?
16 months.
16
Yeah.
months. And you are the parents of Violet, correct?
Yes. It was before when she was born. She doesn't have a father name on this, but for some reason, Jason steal my document and
I object.
he go apply for the name change and say so now my daughter under his last name and have a father name on it. Within I have a birth certificate before wasn't have a name, her name on it.
I don't know how that happened, but that didn't happen in this courtroom.
Yes.
So you will have to proceed with whoever entered that order if you object to it. But for today's purposes, Mr. Jones is the father of Violet.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Can you tell me in your own words why you filed this order of protection?
Because I don't feel safe when he around. Last time in March 31st, he's in my hand so hard. And then I called 911 and he tried to rob my house key. He tried to steal my house key. I robbed it and he twists my ankle and my finger get cut by the key. It's
Okay,
really-
and the record will reflect this is your right finger,
this hand, the left hand.
your left hand, and you're gesturing that your left hand was holding a key.
Yes, and he was twisting very hard to try to
Okay.
steal my house key.
And when did that occur, and where did that occur?
I sit right by my apartment and March 31st around 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
Okay, and why was Mr. Jones at your home?
He always fight. He will move in with me like 3 months. 3 months ago, actually just he come back and forth. He have another place in Glenville, but he totally moved in like 2 weeks ago, like before in March. He moved his furniture, his stuff in my house.
Well, did you allow him to do that?
Yeah, he said I told him I did not allow. He wouldn't. I did not give him the condo key. He tried anyway to steal my house key. He said he gonna come in to see Violet. I said no, you're not allowed to see Violet in my apartment. And he just tried to get in. Oh, I feel tired.
Maybe I don't understand. You live at what address?
For now it's 6161 North Hoy, apartment 30.
And on March, which day was this?
March 31st.
On March 31st this occurred?
Yes.
Okay, on March 31st, who lived with you at your condo?
That's my parents, Violet, and him.
So he lived with you at that unit,
Yes.
and you're saying you didn't invite him to move in, he just moved in?
Wow, I never invite him. He just get a key and he just moved his stuff in my apartment
And
2 weeks
how
before
long was he
the.
living there?
Sorry, my owner couldn't get.
How long was he living there?
He just eventually he just moved like 2 weeks ago before the incident happened.
Okay, so he was there for 2 weeks, and then this incident happened.
Yes.
Okay. And so it happened, you said, on March 31st.
Yes.
And you filed this emergency order protection on May 16th.
I think in March 31st.
Maybe I missed it. Hold on for a second.
I have another case number.
Oh, I'm sorry. I apologize to you. It was issued by, I'm not sure who issued it, but it was issued under OP number 25 OP 72790, and it was issued on March 31st at 6:05 p.m. Then it was continued to April 21st of 2025. Thereafter, it was continued to the 16th of 2025, and I believe then I continued it on May 19th, and it was continued to today's date.
Yes.
So, all right, so what happened then on March 31st after this incident? How long was this incident?
It was like half an hour. An hour?
It took 1 hour?
Yeah.
And
Into the
you
police
said he was
case.
trying to take your house key.
Yeah, because I bought a new house. I bought the other house like 5 minutes ago, 5 minutes away from my condo. And he tried to move in his stuff to my new house. I said, no, I'm not allowed you to move in nowhere. And every night I have to hide the key. He just tried to steal my key all the time. He steal my money too. And
Well, wait. So you moved when to your new house?
the new house haven't moved yet.
Okay.
It's still under construction.
Okay.
But he just tried to steal my new house key to move in his furniture and his stuff. But I tried to drop the key back because he know the key in my purse somewhere.
Okay, but wait. You just said he already had moved his stuff into your
In my
house,
condo, in the
into your
condo.
condo.
Yeah,
which is
currently.
where you, your parents, and Violet live.
Yes,
And so he was trying to take your key,
yes.
and you didn't give him a key,
I did not.
and you didn't give him permission to move his stuff into your house.
Never.
Did your
I
parents?
told him. Yes, I told him, Jason, I cannot live with you. Please find somewhere to live. He just moved his stuff in the night, and he tried to threaten me. He had to move in
I'm
his
sorry, I
stuff
couldn't
in
hear
the
what
new
you said.
house.
He tried to what?
He threatened me, and in the car,
He what?
he threatened me in the
Threatened
car.
you?
Yeah, his car in the car. He said he have to move in this new house. I said no, I don't want to live with you.
Okay.
He's totally so dangerous. He tried to use his power to like force me to do the thing he gonna do.
When were you in the car with him?
It was right in front of the house.
Okay, so did this occur in the house or did this
It
occur
was
in the
before.
car?
I didn't find any. I didn't report to the police. Nothing. This was before.
Okay, so before when? Before March 31st?
Yeah, it was before that.
So what happened, when did the incident happen in the car?
Well, he said he gonna move his furniture, his stuff to my new house. I said no, I don't want to live with you. So I don't want to give him the keys. I tried to say I don't just hold the key in the car, and he hit the chassis so hard.
I object to her testimony. She's not,
Sir,
we're not
sir,
staying on
sir,
track
sir,
to
you
the
may not
date.
interrupt her testimony.
I'm objecting because
You
we're,
may not object, and you may not interrupt her testimony. Cross
What-
your name and ask the question, we'll get to that at the appropriate time. All right, so you said there was an incident with the key that happened in your condo on March 31st, correct?
Yes.
Was there a separate incident that happened in the car prior to that date?
Yes, correct.
Okay, and it was the same issue about the key?
what they,
Yes.
we don't know, objection to date, and then, and when did all this happen? We don't understand.
Sir, if
We
you
need
don't-
to know, I
Sir,
object.
Sir,
We
you
don't-
may not object.
Under foundation, Your Honor.
Sir,
I can't
you
object.
may not object.
I may not object.
No,
It's
you
my
may
right
not.
to object.
If you, sir, you will not interrupt me again, or you will be told to leave the courtroom. Do you understand?
No, I don't understand.
Sir, if you interrupt me again, you will be admonished and you will be told to leave the courtroom. I've told you, you will not. What are you doing, sir?
I'm looking at my notes here.
Sir, put the phone down.
Okay.
Listen to me, sir. You have been continually
That's not accurate.
disrespecting my courtroom.
That's not true.
You may think that. If you open your mouth again and disrespect either this court or you interrupt me, you will now be removed from the courtroom. Do you understand that?
No, I do not understand that.
I think you do, sir.
No, I do not. Under what?
Sir,
what?
that is it. Ma'am,
I'm trying
what
to get.
key did you have in your purse? The key to your new place or the key to your old place?
Me or him?
You.
I have in my purse the condo key.
The condo that your parents live in.
Yes, and the
that's
new house
key
key.
you wanted to get. Did you also have your new house key in there?
My new house key. Every night I have to hide. When he around, I have to hide the key.
Ma'am, do you have a new house key?
Yes, I do.
Okay. And did you have the new house key on March 31st?
Objection
Yes.
leading.
Sir, I told you before, that's not an appropriate objection.
It is.
I'm trying to get to the facts here.
Leading.
If you do, again, I'm at my wit's end with you. You don't seem to listen. I will find out what the story is. You may cross-examine her at the time, the appropriate time. But if you interrupt me again, I'm going to have you removed from the courtroom. And you will have a transcript of today's proceedings, sir.
Wonderful. Not really.
Thank you, sir. Ma'am,
Yes.
you're not telling me the story. That's why I keep asking you questions. Did you fight over the condo key or your new key?
I didn't get you. What is it?
You testified that you were fighting over the key to what key? The new key to your new house or the key to your condominium?
She already asked and answered, Your Honor. She asked if it was near
You are not her attorney. He's gonna have to be removed from the courtroom. I'm sorry. I've given him time and time again to do that.
I object to that.
You may.
I'm not having a.
Hey, you got you. Go ahead, you step up.
Actually, he can sit in the back, but if he says a word, he's out. Ma'am. What key?
Both key, the new house and the condo key, both key.
Okay, and did that altercation happen in your condominium?
Yes.
And you also indicated that there was a prior incident that happened in the park, is that correct? When did that?
Before the incident, March 31st.
Okay, and
He told me to give me the key to move his stuff in the new house. I said no. And he hit the closet so hard. I was so scared. I didn't know what. I was sitting in the closet. He hit the closet. He hit it right by the door. He comes on the in the seat and the council and the passenger seat. But he sounds very hard. Where are you sit? I was sitting in the passenger seat. He said,
and he pounded.
Objection. You're leading. I'm not having a fair hearing. I'm not having a fair hearing here. I understand. I'm not having a fair hearing. I'm not having a fair hearing. I'm not having a fair. This is not a fair hearing that I'm having here. It's bias and harassment, and it's bias and harassment. I will be. Yes. And it's all documented.
Yeah,
So
judge just wants him out of
it's
the
all
room.
documented.
Did you need anything else today, honey?
Do you need anything else?
I'm sorry. Who is you?
Superintendent Eldridge,
And what is your badge number?
291.
291. And what is your badge number?
Sergeant Trejo,
Trail.
1216.
And what is your badge number?
17486.
Your badge number?
18364.
Thank you. Thank you. And what is your badge number?
41381.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you. I'll be filing a complaint with many people.
You're right.
Yeah, exactly. Yep. Just like 44A of the Illinois Supreme Court rule.
Are you recording here, sir?
I don't answer questions.
Yeah. All right, you're all done?
What is your badge number?
Officer F. Bruno, 4043. You good to go?
Good to go where? I'm conducting service
Are
here.
you done?
I'm not done. No, I'm not.
Are you done?
I am not done.
Did the attorney?
I am not done.
You could go.
I'm
You're
no,
done.
I am not
You're
done.
done, sir.
You are unlawfully removing me.
No, let's take the elevator.
You're unlawfully removing me, and I didn't ask for you to put your hands on
Sir,
me.
I'm just escorting you.
You don't have a right to put your hands on
Sir,
me.
I'm escorting you.
You don't have a right to put your hands on me. What law did I violate? Am I being detained?
You're being escorted out.
Am I being detained?
You're being escorted
Am
out.
I being detained?
You're being escorted out.
Am I being detained? So I'm not being detained, so get your hands off of me.
Okay, well,
Get
step
your
into-
hands off of me. I'm not
Stay
being
into the-
detained.
Step into the elevator.
I'm not being detained. You keep your hands off of me.
You're being escorted out.
I'm not being detained, so you get your hands off of
Step onto
me.
the elevator. and you
So
gotta
you
step
have
out
it.
the building.
Don't touch me.
Sir.
You don't touch me. I'm not being detained.
You're being
Elevator.
I don't have a right. I have a right.
being escorted
I don't-
out of the building.
You are refusing my civil rights.
We're escorting
You
out of the
are
building.
refusing my civil rights.
Escorting out of the
No,
building.
you're not. You're harassing me.
Escorting out
You
of
are
the building.
harassing me, and you're touching me.
Sir,
Without
I'm
my
escorting-
right.
I'm escorting you.
No, you're not.
I'm not.
I am not being. You were.
Past tense. Let's go.
Please follow my deputies.
Excuse me, hold on.
You.
Step back in.
What?
Where you going? You going?
You're touching me again.
You want to go to
I.
lockup? You want to get arrested?
Excuse. For what? Under
wanna get
what?
arrested?
Under what? Under what?
Resist.
I'm not. I'm not resisting. What? I can't. I resist. Resist for resisting. Resist for resisting.
Yes.
I can't be arrested for resisting.
Yes, you can.
Okay. Wonderful. Am I not being detained? So how can I be
You are not
resisting?
being detained, you're being escorted out
Yes.
of the
No,
building.
so I can't be arrested if I'm not being detained.
If you resist being escorted out of
Well,
the
then
building,
I'm not being detained.
You will be.
Well, at what point?
You're being escorted.
I am not being escorted
Sir.
because I have business here, which I'm being unlawfully harassed.
Business is over, and now you're being escorted out.
Let's go. Can you step out?
I don't wish to step out. I have business to
You're
do.
leaving.
You're
I,
done.
under whose authority?
We
Under
are.
whose
Our
authority? Don't
superintendent
touch me.
will ask you to leave
Oh,
the
you're.
building.
I didn't hear. She did
The
not.
judge-
She did not say that.
The judge asked
She
you
did
to
not.
leave.
No, she did not. She said leave the courtroom. She did not say leave the
Judge
building.
asked you to leave.
She did not say leave the building. She did not say leave the building. She did not say leave. Why are you hurting me?
Don't pull away.
Why are you hurting me, man?
Don't pull away.
Stop pinching me. I don't have to leave. I don't have to leave. You're not cooperating against my rights. I have a right to be heard, and I'm not. I'm getting my rights refused. My rights are
Sir,
being refused.
Turn around and walk.
My rights are being refused.
Have a good one, son.
You.
Do not come back, please.
You are purposely.
Have a good one, sir. Have a good one. Have a good one. You will be charged. Have a good one.
Charged with what? I'm not. Can't trespass because I'm
You're done.
conducting business
You're
here.
done here. You're done.
I'm-
You're done.